Welcome, today I'm showing how to switch on or off screen touches into a screen recorder in your REALME Narzo 50i Prime. First of all, open top navigation bar and find here screen record button. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, then scroll down, find this button in this block and then press and hold like this and drag to top to add. Now click back for saving, and when you add button, so press on this button, and before start recording we got show touches on screen. So this position like gray, it's turn off this option, and this like blue, it's activate this option, and tap start for run your recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.